Hi, are your current business models allowing you to be competitive within your industry? Are your current business processes helping you to deliver on your goals with efficiency? Do you see the value in moving to the cloud? And do you know how to get there? If you answered no to any of these questions, then this is the video for you. My name's Mo Laher, pre-sales expert at SAP, and in this video, I'll be talking to you about business transformation in the cloud.
Cloud transformation is happening rapidly due to the market causing a shift to cloud technologies. Businesses looking for better business outcomes and not wanting to own products or to hold on to perpetual licenses, and an increased focus on liquidity with businesses wanting to move from CapEx to OpEx. The need to become an intelligent, sustainable enterprise is more understood by our customers now than ever before. And we at SAP are committed to ensuring the success of customers wanting and needing to move to cloud-based solutions. We know that to survive and grow in today's world, transformation is required. In working with customers across the globe, we've seen three consistent and mission-critical issues that we are really focused on. First, developing new business models, which will allow you to create new revenue streams and avoid disruptions within your industry. Second, new operational efficiencies. By taking advantage of new technologies, including business process optimizations and process automations, and AI, you can streamline your processes. And third, you have to transform your mission-critical systems without business or IT interruption. Every company is on their intelligent enterprise journey. This is a constant ongoing evolution, not a linear path. However, every company has a different point of departure. Whilst COVID has accelerated this for many, everyone still remains at different departure points. The Intelligent Sustainable Enterprise is SAP's unique strategy that will form the basis for the next wave of growth and innovation worldwide. SAP brings together the very best people and expertise across both industry and technology to help provide our customers with a set of white glove services that customers can draw on to accelerate their journey no matter their current level of maturity, complexity, or departure point. But how do we make this a reality? A year ago, SAP launched Rise with SAP. Rise with SAP is a business transformation as a service offering which will help customers on their journey to the intelligent, sustainable enterprise by focusing on digital transformation to an intelligent ERP in the cloud. Rise with SAP is both a vision and an attractive commercial offering with services and products all bundled into one offering. Rise with SAP can not only help migrate to the cloud with the least disruption, but Rise with SAP can help with taking the tangible cost savings that come with moving to the cloud and fund future growth by leveraging new technologies and intelligence such as AI and machine learning, as well as industry-specific innovations with SAP Industry Cloud, providing industry solutions across 25 industries. And more importantly, it also includes analytics and business process intelligence, so that you have continuous insights provided to you by SAP Signavio. And in just the past year, customers across the globe have moved to the cloud with Rise with SAP. These are just a few customer examples showing the variety of industries and business needs that Rise with SAP can help meet. Taking a look at Energizer, one of the world's largest manufacturers and distributors of batteries, Rise with SAP helped automate essential business processes and improve customer service. According to their CIO, they selected Rise with SAP to, quote, begin their journey to SAP S4HANA Cloud and maintain the freedom and flexibility to move at their own pace, end quote. The key question now is how Rise with SAP can help your organization. Business transformation can be achieved by each customer according to their unique business needs. This is achieved with the assistance of services such as business process intelligence reports that allow for assessing potential process improvement opportunities, automated tools to identify customizations and to assess migration readiness, a learning hub for real-time enablement, cloud infrastructure as a service where requirements are assessed around performance, location and data residence to determine whether the solution is delivered via a hyperscaler, an SAP data center, or at a partner or customer facility, a business technology platform to help build integrations or cloud extensions, a business network starter pack to allow for digitizing collaboration with trading partners, and the deployment of an intelligent and modular ERP with a method and timeline of choice. All of this is offered as one contract with an unmatched total cost of ownership, and SAP is the responsible party for SLA, operations and issue handling. Rise with SAP is a holistic business transformation as a service offering. S4HANA Public Cloud is our North Star architecture, offering the lowest total cost of ownership, fastest time to innovation, native cloud infrastructure, best practice business processes across lines of business, and SAP delivering technical operations, upgrades, and system maintenance. There is also a bundled offering with Qualtrics for experience management. The operational or OData coming from S4HANA Public Cloud tells you what has happened inside your organization, but translating this information into actionable insights can sometimes be quite challenging. This is where experience data, or X-data, comes into play. X-data coming from Qualtrics helps to understand the human factor, the thoughts and sentiments of the people involved. It tells you why things have happened. By consistently connecting X and O data, SAP will be able to achieve measurable improvements and build a stronger brand than before. A great example of this is Mercedes-Benz EQ Formula E. Roll the tape.
Formula E is the new sound of auto racing, and the Mercedes EQ Formula E team is at the centre of this heart-pounding motorsport.
What's unique about it is not only that it's fully electric, but it takes place in some of the most iconic cities around the world. And that gives us an opportunity to really showcase what it is that we're all about.
To stay competitive, the Mercedes EQ Formula E team needed integrated business solutions that would help them run operations and connect with fans. SAP S4HANA Cloud drives financial control on the international race circuit and efficiency across a global supply chain. SAP Integration Suite helps measure the team's performance against sustainable development goals, and experience management solutions from SAP and Qualtrics provide insight needed to deliver the ultimate fan experience.
Without the fans, there would be no sport. To really get to understanding what the fans want is hugely important.
Formula E runs on innovation and electricity, and Intelligent Enterprise runs on innovation and data.
Working with SAP, we're able to generate that data, which gives us proof that we're moving in the right direction.
Wow, that's incredible. Let's now consider the other deployment option from Rise with SAP. S4HANA Private Cloud is a subscription offering that delivers on-premise-like commercial experience in the cloud. The subscription includes infrastructure, SAP software and support, as well as technical managed services. It is a partner-first offering, meaning that all infrastructure services are provided by SAP, but advisory and implementation services are provided by SAP's partner ecosystem. S4HANA Private Cloud delivers a 33% total cost of ownership reduction over 5 years when compared to ECC, an 87% reduction in sticky costs due to the more flexible operational environment, and 2+ months faster implementation as operational lead times fall. Let's now take a look at S4HANA Cloud with a product demonstration. Today we will be assuming the role of a financial manager. Immediately we see the HANA database working to create real-time KPIs to drive educated, analytics-first thinking. SAP S4HANA Cloud gives accounts receivable accountants and managers the ability to gain insight and act upon it to help reduce days sales outstanding. Let me walk you through a quick example of how you could manage your accounts receivable with SAP S4HANA Cloud. As the financial manager, I have been receiving pressure that our cash flows are way too low and that I need to get them up as soon as possible. So when looking at my live tiles, I noticed that 89.5% of our receivables are overdue. That's huge. Let's drill down into this application to take a further look at the details making up this number. As we can see from the analytical chart, we have hundreds of millions of dollars tied up in receivables that should have been closed months ago. No wonder our cash flow is low. We need to figure out which accounts have not paid us yet and close them out immediately. On the fly, we can rearrange this chart to see the top 10 overdue customers. We need the accounts receivable team to start getting these accounts closed as soon as possible. Closing even a few of these accounts will keep us from having to take more desperate measures to bring back our cash flow. Let's inform one of the accountants that this is of the utmost importance and send them a link to the graph that we are referring to. Let's now imagine that we've sent off the email to the accountant, and from this point on we can assume the role as an accounts receivable accountant. Upon receiving the email and clicking on the link, we've been brought straight back to the same screen. Wow, look at all that money sitting here in the customer accounts. Let's start to manage these customer line items. To aid our analysis, Fury offers support to help rearrange the data based on amounts, journal entry date, customer, etc. Here we get a line item level view of the customer information. And looking at the name, we immediately recognize that it is one from our overdue receivables chart from the previous screen. Let's now process the receivables for this customer. Here the system is providing us with a list of invoice items. Once we've found an invoice that we want to process, we simply drill down into it, where we can then see the operative data, the posting data, reference data, any dispute cases or promises to pay, and most importantly, the open items for the billing documents. Here we simply select the item and then send the output of this billing document directly to the customer. The system is able to increase productivity and efficiency by providing insights rather than a user having to actively look for any issues, a concept we call insight to action. With Rise with SAP, there are 3 key areas of focus. You can take the lead in your industry focusing on top line, bottom line and green line. You can make sure you never stop improving with live insights and continuous optimization of your processes. And of course, you can secure your success working with trusted partners that's with you every step of the way, or directly with SAP. To drive the top line, we help you grow revenue by creating differentiated business models in your industry. Think about new offerings such as knowledge as a service in the professional services industry, or device as a service in the manufacturing industry. Driving the bottom line is all about increasing margin and unlocking efficiency with built-in industry-specific processes and best practices. In professional services, for example, you could increase project profit margins between 1 to 5% with digital contract-to-cash practices. And driving the green line by enabling you to measure and manage your company's sustainability with company-wide transparency and controls. SAP's purpose is to create a positive economic, environmental, and social impact within planetary boundaries by providing products and services that meet the sustainability challenges and opportunities of our customers. SAP solutions for sustainability will help manage the impact from their business on people and the environment. Think energy management, climate action, employee safety, circular economy, waste and recycling, greenhouse gas emissions. The initiative is called Climate 21, which brings SAP solutions together to help you manage sustainability. SAP enables deep, industry-specific insights and intelligence from data across value chains and business networks to create sustainable, core, mission-critical and differentiated business processes. Our technology and solutions enable comprehensive ESG reporting, carbon emission and footprint management, material waste reduction and socially responsible business practices across the business network. The goal for our customers is to make sustainability profitable and profitability sustainable. SAP will make the world run better and improve people's lives. Now, in terms of never stop improving, we enable instant analysis of processes, activities, and tasks to help you prioritize optimizations and automations. You can now improve the way you operate by getting a single view of all your processes to immediately uncover new improvement opportunities. And you can solve complex business problems with pre-built tailored AI for things like finance, sales, customer service, procurement, and HR, or even leverage intelligent chatbots that guide time-consuming manual activities into error-free, scalable tasks. We help businesses run their mission-critical operations at global scale by embedding country and region-specific regulations and taxation rules into our solutions to ensure your business is always compliant. And of course, we recognize and understand that each customer has unique needs. And to ensure you can design the unique business processes you need, we provide native application extensibility with the SAP Business Technology Platform. Using a low-code, no-code approach, you can accelerate innovations without disrupting the running business processes. We'll also help you protect sensitive data with embedded cybersecurity and automated data protection.
Rise with SAP is an opportunity to help customers reduce costs, adopt innovations quickly, and enable business transformation to the intelligent, sustainable enterprise. With 50 years of customer success, our commitment continues by helping customers of all sizes, in all industries and geographies, run at their best. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to working with you on your business transformation journey to the cloud with Rise with SAP. Bye for now.